And we're going to use it with one of my favourite aqua moves, the donkey kick. So, donkey kick, love it. It's where you kick one leg back, but both knees come up to your chest. Yep, it's very different when you just kick back. That's not an exercise. I don't recommend it. So we're going to use 2 dumbbells. Now, these dumbbells, the ends are flush, so I can put them together. That's important because I want to activate my chest and use my arms while doing the donkey kick. It looks like this. About it is my quads are fatiguing, but there's a real, you really have to work with your arms. And my head was moving back a little bit, I know. It was really hard not to because I was trying to create that force coming in. It's a really good exercise, like, I really like it. So both knees come up to your chest and the arms are circling down and up whilst you're trying to keep them together. That's what makes this exercise challenging. Your hands are separated. It's not even close to being the same. So hands together, do the drive down and up, do the donkey kick at the same time. If you want a great strength and cardiovascular move, this is the one to do. So if you're using dumbbells for cardio, brilliant exercise. That's this week's Aqua tip. The demonstration of the donkey kick with the double dumbbell action together is not an easy one to do on land. So I'm going to go through the demonstration I would normally do if I was teaching this in an aqua class on pool deck. Okay everyone, dumbbells together. We're doing a donkey kick. You're circling under and over. So really try and keep those dumbbells together. Press them together as you circle under and over. With your legs, make sure that you're bringing both your knees up to your chest before you push back and really push down into the water. So I started off by talking about bringing the dumbbells together, bring the ends of the dumbbells together, and I demonstrated the donkey kick with the emphasis on the arms. So the arms are clearly what really drives this motion, and that's what makes it more intense and gets your heart rate up. So I'm demonstrating, I'm focusing on pushing the dumbbells together because that's going to activate the chest and circling the arms under and over. And then I grab the frame, or you could get a chair to then demonstrate that you want them to bring both your knees up to your chest before they kick back. And that's the key, right? So there's 2 aspects of this movement pattern that will actually decrease the intensity. The first one is if the dumbbells are not together, that makes it easier. And the second one is if they just, basically take their legs behind them without pulling the knees all the way up to the chest. So, like I always say with Aqua, it's actually quite easy to make exercises easy in the pool. It's way more challenging to get participants to work to the maximum level, and that means a real pull up with their knees and a real drive down into the water. That requires motivation, it requires someone wanting to work hard, it requires a certain level of fitness and strength, of course. So I'm never too concerned about people working too hard in the pool. I just don't think I've ever seen it, to be honest. So it requires a fair bit of emphasis on the pushing down, the circular action, and the knees pulling up. And that's this week's Aqua tip.